a breakthrough energy system comes online. Smart cryogenic superconducting magneto-hydrodynamic hybrid generator. Clean electricity from air, delivering net power beyond inputs via cryogenics, superconductivity, and magneto-hydrodynamics. Created by Morgan Elliott Smart and Jasper Kieran Smart. Let's see how it works and why net efficiency exceeds 1. Air enters, moisture and carbon dioxide are removed. Nitrogen continues. Pressure swing adsorption refines nitrogen toward 99.9999% purity. Compressed nitrogen chills through microchannel heat exchangers. Nitrogen condenses to liquid, storage dewars fill. We isolate, compress, and liquefy nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius, the system's working fluid. Liquid nitrogen jackets surround stator, rotor, and plasma zone. Boiled gas expands through convergent-divergent nozzles into a manifold. A radial turbine converts expansion into shaft power. 1 liter of liquid nitrogen becomes about 694 liters of gas, producing force that drives a high-efficiency turbo expander. A carbon fiber rotor spins in ultra-hard vacuum. Flux-pinned yttrium-barium copper oxide superconducting bearings levitate the shaft. Resistance approaches zero. Conductivity and magnetic field strength surge. Frictionless suspension enables over 120,000 revolutions per minute and compact, high-field magnets. High-voltage pulses ionize nitrogen into conductive plasma. A spinning Halbach array concentrates magnetic flux and shapes plasma. Electrodes harvest plasma current, while Lorentz forces drive power to bus bars. Induction captures mechanical rotation. Magneto-hydrodynamics converts plasma flow to electricity with extreme power density. Waste heat returns to liquid nitrogen jackets, closing the thermal loop. Instrumentation compares inputs, outputs, and recycled work. More liquid nitrogen raises pressure, the turbine accelerates and meters climb. Why over unity, net efficiency? About 75.5 kilowatts of external heat starts liquid nitrogen boil. Internal waste heat, 50 to 100 kilowatts, from plasma and superconductors, is recycled through jackets to drive the expander. Gross about 128 kilowatts, parasitics about 30 kilowatts, net about 98 kilowatts. Net efficiency equals net output divided by external input, about 129%. This is a coefficient of performance greater than 1, like a heat pump. Thermodynamics intact. The smart cryogenic, superconducting magneto-hydrodynamic hybrid generator could end energy scarcity and power Mars colonies. Explore the open-source white paper and join the future. Subscribe for the smart cryogenic superconducting magneto-hydrodynamic hybrid generator white paper and future updates.